out here in the middle of nowhere. We got the 3000 GT and we're set to do some rallying. Got my buddy Kyle Fisher here, Fisheye FPV on Instagram and soon to be YouTube. He's got some sick race drones, all the carbon fiber and wildness. Today is going to be amazing. We are going to really put this 3000 GT to the test. I've been like teasing it for so long and breaking it, and I promise it's not going to break this time. And we're just going to freaking send it.
I was like, just trust that there's nothing on your left-hand side. And then like, nope. I don't know, dude. I think it's because there's like air holes in it. So like,
Why would she even stop?
I don't know, because there's a mysterious box on the side of the road. Like,
I guess this was our third shot of the day. This lady just kind of like stops and she waited for me at first, and then the drone batteries are in a bat box. And she stopped on the side of the road and she thought they were actual bats, but no, it's batteries. This car is so much freaking fun. Like, I'm by no means Ken Block, even though I'm trying to be. But this car, the front wheel drive, it just holds, it's like cheating, I think. It like holds me into these drifts completely solid. And I'm like completely sideways, give a little gas and nuts.
man, I was right on your tail, and all of a sudden I see just this giant rock come right at my lens. And I'm like, thank God I brought an extra camera lens with me today. Like,
But it's okay?
it's good, yeah, I checked it, it's fine.
It's so confusing. Feel like I'm drowning in your illusion. Following better. I don't want to run from me. You come and hit the center of every.
Since I still haven't installed the e-brake yet, the car wants to roll away every time I stop to grab the tripod camera.
Attack of the cows.
Production delay. Halt for the cows. This is hilarious. So I just put the passenger seat in last night, and I forgot, since there's never been a passenger before, the inside door handle doesn't work. Every time we stop, we gotta get out.
Thank you, sir.
I'm a gentleman. Like, I don't want to do too much like overly landscapey stuff, but when we have the opportunity, if you think it's gonna look good, we might as well do it. Let's just get one of the turn first, so you can kind of like, maybe that'll help you judge the speed a little bit.
Okay.
And then try one coming over the ridge. My second time through that super fast corner, the check engine light, it was so bumpy, the check engine light popped on, but it's off now, so that means it's fixed. When you're an idiot, at least, that's what it means. So basically the car is stock except for $1,200 K-Sport gravel rally coilovers. So I think that's all you need to make it into a rally car.
Sounds.
I mean, I don't know. Again, I'm an idiot, so I just thought it'd be funny to put suspension on it that costs more than the car itself. They work good though. I mean, they're keeping me on the road, that's for sure. Woohoo! All right, we're gonna try the ride-along situation. Ooh, yeah, we're doing a little bit of damage. All right, you good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
That's enough.
No go.
Oh no, I'm gonna puke.
Do you
Just
do you
'cause-
want to land on top of it right now?
Only because you're an unemployed idiot. If I was in this passenger side with Ken Block, I'd have more faith, but it's just... As soon as I felt going sideways, I was like doing that with oh my god, I just took the goggles off and I'm moving left and right. Oh man. Woo! Alright, so I can't open my door.
Yep, I'll get the drone.
Alright, cool. Yeah, I believe in you, but we did just meet, so...
So naturally, being the idiot, I left the sticky mounts for the GoPro in the Cayenne. So we improvise. I want to get a shot of the headlights popping up as they go through the tunnel. We taped it on, duct tape for safety.
Man, I got the plan when it hits the fan. Do all I can, do all I can.
Yeah, dude, I was gonna go right through your windshield. So I shot up. You came out of smoke, which was my idea. Did you hit record on the GoPro?
Nope. Damn it!
That was the best one we did, too.
Fucking idiot.
I thought you didn't, but I was like, I'm gonna try. I was just like, alright, and then I turned, and like, as I fucking turned, I like scraped the side of the roof, and then like flew down, hit the wall, and hit the ground.
Oh my god. Alright, we're about done. We're about ready to go. How long have you been flying drones for?
On and off since 2011.
That's
so,
quite a while.
yeah.
Now he's gonna give us a little demonstration what the drone does. That is ridiculous. It's insane. These things go like 80 miles an hour, like comfortably, up to 120, but that kind of breaks it. These are the craziest things. All right, now let's go back to this tunnel shot and we'll record on the GoPro this time.
I don't care, it's a double dare. I ain't scared, you best beware, you best beware. It's alright, she's in my side. I got all night, so just sit tight, so just sit tight. When she lets her hair down.
All right, we are calling it a day on that one. This road is 22 miles long, and ideally we would have gotten to the end of it, but we're just done. I'm just burnt out from pushing so hard, so much adrenaline back and forth, but solid day, solid proof of concept. Like, it just goes to show, with absolutely zero budget, $3,000 into this car and a buddy with a cool drone, and we can make something awesome. The car held up just like I said it would. I promised it would hold up and not break, and it did. The drone, it broke a little bit. We went through some, 17 batteries, 16?
Yeah.
And some blades. The tires are, look at these tires. It shredded the tires. People were laughing at me at a front wheel drive rally car, but this thing freaking sent it. It was unbelievable.
Don't